I am Jessica Thrasher. I'm the Director of Education and Outreach at the Colorado Stormwater Center at Colorado State University. So a rain garden is a depression. It looks kind of like a bowl, and the water comes in from a downspout into this garden. It's not a pond. You're just creating opportunities for water to slow down and then infiltrate into the soil. The water in a rain garden will completely soak in within 12 hours. And then we plant it with native plants because they're adapted to the periods of dry and then rain. And then we have this layer of mulch, which helps insulate the soil, protect the plants, and provide like this super absorbent sponge for the plants to access that water. And I thought, what an amazing opportunity for hands-on experience for students. And so I reached out to the CSU Extension, proposed my project, and had a lot of applicants, and was very, very fortunate to select these two. They have been instrumental in the success of this project.
My name is Mia Campbell. I'm a fourth year environmental horticulture major with an ethnic studies minor. I had never heard of rain gardens before this internship, but now I consider myself pretty knowledgeable in that aspect, and I have led teams to install rain gardens at people's houses.
My name is Riley. I've always been really passionate about the environment and conserving what resources we have, but I'm also really passionate about people and making sure that we can address both our environmental issues and our social and economic issues at the same time. In this project, every site is different, and every homeowner has a different idea of what they might want for a garden. Our gardens are pretty small, 50 to 100 square feet, but when you add them all up, they make a really big difference.
This project came about because we were looking about how do we get more rain gardens in residential properties. And so we started looking at what are the barriers that exist for homeowners to install them. And one of the things that we found is that people don't know what to plant. So rain gardens are different than just taking plants from your garden center and then putting them in the ground. They have to be specific levels of water needs. And so that's difficult.
I've gotten so much experience, and this has opened so many doors for me with Denver, City of Fort Collins, and working with the homeowners. I feel like I can definitely get a job in this field later on after this internship is completed, and I hope to work with Jessica again on her later projects.
I am really, really passionate about enacting actual change and empowering people in the community. And so having this opportunity with CSU Extension has enabled me to live out those dreams and has given me an opportunity to think about how I can do this for the rest of my career.